Welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today we'll be discussing the concept of data analysis. Now, data analysis is broken down into two major words, which are data and analysis. What are data? Data are simply facts. They could also be statistical collections of references or analysis. That is data. Now, what is analysis? Data analysis is now a process of extracting meaningful information from data by taking decision upon analysis. You may ask, why do you need data analysis? But I want to let you know that data analysis is very important because even in our day to day activity, we involve ourselves in data analysis. Take, for instance, when you consider what happened the last time in making your next decision, you are already engaging yourself in data analysis. So, I would say that data analysis is very important in our day to day activities and also in our business decisions. What are some of the advantages of data analysis? First, it helps you as an individual make the right decisions. It helps you to think critically before making any decision. Secondly, it helps you to make intelligent business decision in your business organizations. Now, likewise, it also helps to check if there are patterns in your businesses. Possibly there is a month that sells better than the other. It checks it for you. Now, in product sales, it helps you to check which product sells faster or which are more profitable. There are some products that sell fast but are not profitable. Now, it helps you identify those that are profitable. You could either do a discount or an advert or a bonus on more profitable businesses. The aim of data analysis. The main aim of data analysis is basically to find trends. Trends could be problem, it could be patterns in your businesses and in day-to-day activity. Now it also helps you to solve those problems. That is what data analysis aims to do. Let me also let you know that data analysis is one of the hottest important data fields in the world now. It's one of the best career field you can engage yourself in because it is applicable in all sectors of life. Say it business, health, insurance, in any form of life. It helps you analyze your data and sharpens your intellectual knowledge in line with the decisions you want to make. Now, I would let you know that it also helps you sharpen the business processes and improve the decision making in your businesses. So, we'll be looking at what are the types of data analysis. First and foremost, we'll be talking about the diagnostic analysis. Now, this analysis seeks to check previously and research on what has happened. It tries to go into the data and see what has happened. Secondly, the descriptive analysis tries to tell us how it happened, how it occurred in the business. Now, it also helps us as a business organization or as an individual in making the right and intelligent business decisions. The predictive analysis also helps us as an individual to walk a step into the future to see how we can see things before they occur by the means of forecasting. It tells us how will what will occur in future. Finally, we have the prescriptive. The prescriptive will give us an insight to how these things will occur. So, and it helps us make an optimized prevention method because we already know how it's going to occur. That is one major feature of the prescriptive analysis. The data space. Data space here shows the various career paths in data. Majorly in this class, we'll be discussing data analysts, we'll be discussing data scientists, and data visualization. We'll be using our skills that we'll be learning in this class in majorly this field that have been listed. We'll be leveraging also on a platform to learn data analysis, which is Microsoft Power BI. You may ask, why Microsoft Power BI? First and foremost, it gives us a large access to multiple data sources. We could connect to a very high number of data sources. That is one. It gives us an interactive user experience and user design features. It also gives us an exceptional Excel integration. What do I mean by that? If you have a prior knowledge to with the use of Excel, Microsoft Excel, to use Power BI, it's more simpler. It helps us turn insights that have been generated from our data into actions. And finally, it helps us turn real-time data stream analysis. You may ask, how? It allows us to see things as it happens. Now we could control basically what are the outcome of the result of any analysis. Finally, for we to learn this course, we are required to have the latest Power BI desktop on our machine and also to download all the data sets used as use cases in this course for hands-on practice. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.